Hello guys, it's teacher Yolanda here. For this session, we're going to be needing our student's book and workbook. Also, for this session 31, we're going to need our English notebook and of course our PDF file. So, go and get them. Let's open our student's book at the next page, page 108. At page 108, it says in the instructions, listen and write the rhyming words, then sing the song. What do you think rhymes with these words? Why don't you try to do it before we play the audio? Pause the video and try to think what rhymes. Just for fun. And after that, we're going to listen to the audio and check if you were correct. Check how well you identify rhymes. This is a song, so if you want to play to the audio again and sing in your house, that would be excellent. Remember to listen carefully without singing the first time, so you can listen to the correct pronunciation. And after that, the next time you listen to it, sing along.
Student's Book, page 108. 1. Listen and write the rhyming words. Then sing the song.
Grandma and I one sunny day went off for a nice boat ride. When suddenly I turned around, she wasn't by my side. Captain, drop the anchor, make your men jump in. My grandma's fallen in the sea, I don't think she can swim. I ran up to the telescope to see what I could see. I rubbed my eyes and looked again at the beast in front of me. Oh, Captain, drop the anchor, Captain, drop the sail. My grandma's fallen in the sea, I think she's in a whale. The captain dropped the anchor down, his men jumped in the sea. When suddenly I turned around, my gran was next to me.
What's all the fuss about?
Granny!
Okay, so this song is actually a funny song. It's about a confusion on a boat, well, on a ship. And what is this? This type of song is a sea shanty. What are sea shanties? Let's read about it. It says, all about music, sea shanties. Sea shanties were songs that sailors used to sing on the ships many years ago. The work was often very hard and boring. The sailors were often at sea for many months at a time, and the songs helped the days go quicker. Sea shanties are often played on accordions and tin whistles. What are tin whistles? Tin whistles are the ones that they have on the boat, and they are called tin whistles because they are made of tin. What is tin? Lata, hojalata. Here, you're going to circle your opinion about this type of songs. Do you remember the Pirates of the Caribbean, these Disney movies? Well, they often sing like that. You remember like the yo-ho, and things like that. So some of them are very famous. So circle your opinion about them. If you think they are great, if they're okay, or if you really don't like the songs. The important thing about this song is the fact that it rhymes. Did you pay attention? The word number 1 rhymes with the word number 2. So Try to read the words on your own and see if you can listen to the rhymes. After that, on the next part, it says, listen and say the dialogue. Again, we're going to pay attention to the letters that are in red, please. Listen and repeat.
Book, page 108. 2. Listen and say the dialogue.
You shouldn't put so much sugar in the pudding, Woody.
But look, Cookie, the cookbook says 6 cupfuls.
Now faster.
No, you shouldn't put so much sugar in the pudding, Woody.
But look, Cookie, the cookbook says 6 cupfuls.
Look at the letters in red. What can you see? What do you think we're talking about? Pay attention. I'm going to read only the words that have red letters. Cookie. Shouldn't. Put. Sugar. Pudding. Woody. Look. Cookie. Cookbook. Cupfuls. These sounds are a bit similar, but they have a slight difference. Let's continue practicing this type of sounds, but now in the workbook at the same page. Okay, now at page 108, we're going to continue working with these sounds. And also, we're going to work with the song again. We're going to listen to the song again, but now you're going to do 2 exercises. The first one, you have to complete these words. All of these words were in the song. And you're going to write here all of the letters to find where the grammar of the song was. After that, you're going to pay attention to the story of the song. And I would like you to put all the happenings of the song in the correct order. This is not the song. It's the story of the song, so you have to read and comprehend. Again, remember, if you need to listen to the song more than once, you can just rewind it, yes? So, let's listen to it again and do these 2 exercises. Exercise 1 and exercise 2.
Book, page 108. 1. Listen and write the rhyming words. Then sing the song.
Grandma and I one sunny day went off for a nice boat ride. When suddenly I turned around, she wasn't by my side. Captain, drop the anchor, make your men jump in. My grandma's fallen in the sea, I don't think she can swim. I ran up to the telescope to see what I could see. I rubbed my eyes and looked again at the beast in front of me. Oh, Captain, drop the anchor, Captain, drop the sail. My grandma's fallen in the sea, I think she's in a whale. His men jumped in the sea. When suddenly I turned around, my gran was next to me.
What's all the fuss about?
Granny!
These are the answers of the first exercise. The words that we heard in our song were fuss, telescope, grammar, fish, front, again, captain, anchor, whale, boat, sail, raft, drop, and sea. If we put all these letters together, we get the secret message. Feeding the birds. Grandma was disappeared because she was feeding the birds. I hope you got the correct order of the song, because we're going to check it later in our class. So hold on to the answers, we're going to check them. Now, let's move to the next exercise, and the last one. It says, listen and say the words. Do you remember? I told you that we are checking also the phonetics. We're checking the sounds of some words with different spellings. Look at these words and please repeat after the audio.
Workbook, page 108. 3. Listen and say the words.
Foot. Could. Boot. You.
Again.
Foot. Could. Boot. You.
Let's pay attention to what the difference between these sets of words is. Phonics tip. The short sound in foot is the same as in put and could. Now the long sound in boot is the same as in zoo and you. So listen, foot, boot. Can you listen again? Foot, boot. Do you notice the same? This one is short and this one is long. Now listen to this. Could, you, could, you. Again, so we are distinguishing where the sound is short or long. In exercise 4, it says, write the words in the columns. We have to classify them according to how long the sound is. Foot, put. This column is for short sounds. But this one is boot, moon. It is for the long oo sound. I'm going to read them once. Put, moon, should, woman, rule, pull, soup, choose, word, glue, pool, school, word, stood, blue, took. Classify them. Pause the video and do it. Then I'm going to play the audio so you can check the correct answers. Please do it.
Book, page 108. 5. Listen, check, and say the words.
Foot.
Put. Should. Woman. Pull. Wood. Would. Stood. Took.
Boot. Moon. Rule. Soup. Choose. Glue. Pool. School. Blue.
We're going to listen to it again. Please make sure you correct your mistakes and repeat the words. Please repeat them.
Book, page 108. 5. Listen, check, and say the words.
put,
put, should, woman, pull, would, wood, stood, took,
boot, moon, rule, soup, choose, glue, pool, school, blue.
Last but not least, today we're going to start doing a review of units 0, 1, 2 and 3 of your student's book and workbook. That is in the PDF file. Remember to check it and we'll see each other in a few minutes. Bye!